This is a 1992 Cadillac Fleetwood. We're gonna have to take the radio out for service. There's not much information online, but I know how to take the radio out because I'm an old man. I did a few of these back in the days. The most common issue people having trouble with is these two knobs right here, and that's for the air vent open and close. Everybody think this can be just pulled out, but you will break that lever if you try to pull that out. On the part of it, there is an Allen screw right here. So it's a real tiny Allen, and you're just gonna loosen that up and the knob comes out. And if you try to pull this out straight without losing that up, of course you're gonna break the lever. All right. I don't have a Allen key, the right number, but I am using a, let me see it here. This is a torx T6, which is basically the same size hole. So you stick this one to the bottom side. You're gonna loosen that up. Don't lose the screw. It comes out like that. So yes, you do have to use the Allen screwdriver, but I don't have the one that fits. But T6, torx T6, those work the same way. And loosen that up. Let me show you. It's got a tiny hole right there. So that's the screw. You loosen that up and don't lose it. And this entire face comes out like this. Simple as that. Then of course the radio has to be loosened up. There is screws here on the top, right there on the top. So you're gonna loosen that up. And no, Jim, you gotta loosen those two nuts on the top.
No, just go.
Isn't it? Oh no, there's a 7 mil right there in the middle. Isn't there another one on the bottom? Yeah, there's another one on the bottom.
One there, one there.
There's a two of them. Okay, so there's a two and one on the top. You need an extension, Jim.
4. Only 2 of those things connected.
Yeah. Alright, so let's disconnect the radio harnesses. Alright, so basically and take this top one out, 2 bottom ones out, radio slides out.